Welcome to this beautiful home in Chandler's Crestview Court neighborhood, perfectly situated on an oversized cul-de-sac lot. With plenty of space inside and out, this home is ready for you to move in and enjoy. Step inside to an open great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, creating a bright and airy feel. The updated kitchen is both stylish and functional, featuring granite slab counters, white cabinetry, a pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious owner's suite provides a comfortable retreat, while the additional bedrooms offer plenty of room for family, friends, guests, or a home office. Tile flooring flows throughout, complemented by accent paint that adds warmth and character. Outside, a full-length covered patio overlooks a huge low-maintenance backyard. With citrus trees adding a touch of greenery, it's the perfect space to relax or entertain. Located in a prime Chandler location, this home is close to top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and offers easy freeway access. Clean, move-in ready, and waiting for its next owner. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.